ngithi azincosa kaBobo wathi your choice assorted iziningi like asi Fede kunjani Bobo
Shabuze Scooby
ngiyazwala ngeyidate lapho kule lecture yakho uzobuyenza yamala.
All right.
When I land straight ku Bobo.
Nice, I'll be there as well.
Uzwakala
I'll be doing my dance.
Can you I'm going to say this. It's been on my thorough. I've been wanting to say it, and I'm not saying it in a bad way.
Yebo.
It's coming from the heart.
As long as it's not about me.
No, well, kind of. Get Kanye and Somizi to come in.
Kanye and Somizi?
Yeah, let them.
Yeah. Well, you want to chat about the
about the radio workshop, you know?
Yes.
How they've been doing.
Khona umuntu otekelesa stage 8. Yabona manje it's 11 past 8. Khona nje 11. Athi thula.
Anyway, that's not about that.
Yes, no, well, I'll ask them.
You've got the numbers.
Yeah.
And again, it comes from a good place.
Of course.
It comes with their brother and sister, and it needs to be solid. We need to do this radio thing like really nice. You know?
Exactly. And I'm also going to come there because it's free education. So it's a free seminar. Hello.
Very free. Scooby, are you alright, my brother? I've got to Craig Maluka on the line.
Hey, tell us a jiving. How's
it, guys?
Hi, Petit.
Fantastic.
We miss you.
Are you guys fantastic?
Fantastic.
Look, man, I wanted to call and thank you. I didn't realize that we've been overpaying the breakfast show.
Are you?
So needless to say that Musiburi is the only one who will get an actual, paycheck.
Why?
The rest of you will carry on with the hugs and loves and kisses.
I don't mind. You give great hugs.
So thanks, guys. Thank you very much. I just wanted to say that I'm glad. I was struggling with one or two things.
Hi, Mantonga. We were joking, Greg. Imagine.
So now you were joking.
No, you know exactly what we meant. We meant that
wealth. You know what makes go round, right? You know what makes the world go round when I could.
Wealth, Budwam. We were talking about the wealth. It comes in many forms.
Take it easy. Be overpaid. Know that we love you. Cheers, bro.
I love
before
you
you go, Greg, Skumba has an announcement to make.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in the announcement, namangaze yampoza mari into engiyaziyo ukuthi ngolosithathu sine show yama wheelchair, and thank you very much to John Walker for coming on board and baskaya ama wheelchair bazobafonela basithi baskaya engakufeli yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, sibe uzwakale mari wahlala phambili uJama ngithi uyazi ukuthi and ujabulile no the last solo sibuyile ligini yo bonke labantu bepepepe neshukela ebajabule bonke bajabulile solo sibadala sibuyile.
No, mina ngicela ukubayile out ekuvulela amakhethini athamba.
No stress pozam.
Thanks, Greg. It's a good thing.
Great.
It's a good thing that's happened here.
Yeah, ngicela abantu bakele ukungitheka uthi ubani ufuna ini angendawo lapha mina before ngoba udine utshela abantu indaba. Cela ngitheki. Ngathi yazi into abawulchap lapho ngathi ngivule ican wonke umuntu yazi ubhuti wami akakho right. Sikhomba akahambi linyawo lakhe. No, ngiyakutshela ivari ngitshela into ezenzakala empilweni yami. Like right now ngathi mina bengifuna ukuthenga i-wheelchair A1 manje sekuthola ama message ukuthi sikhomba kunjani angazi ukuthi sangikhumbula angikukhumbula ngabe sonke primary awuyini. Lalela man uma lo mamne uyagula inyawo lakhe wathola accident inyawo lakhe balinqamula so uhamba ngaleli liyo. Angazi lihleka ngoba athi uhamba lele ngaleli liyo ngathi udlala isikhoshi. Athi ngathi udlala isikhoshi uma besicela man mangabe uzokhona usinike noma i1. Ngithi ngizobona usathi ubhekeni ngene high school bavele yazibenzani manje bavele basende ithombe zalabantu abakho. I'll show you in my phone usikhuma mbheke. And manje ngicomedian ngifuna sengibona into wrong la ngithi manje wayini mfaka ibrain water.
Brain water one.
Usikhumuko kwami una 93 yazi akasakhona emholweni mara ugogo sekazohamba
Higher traffic.
Kune traffic la ngaseMacDonald kune trucker echayise 3A moto ngiserious la phezulu la phezulu yeah ne trucker eshayise 3A moto umnikazi we trucker usahlele truckeni udlala ngefoni abantu la phansi ngiserious uhleli phezulu use truckeni yakho ivulela iphepha lokuthi uyabuya abantu la inzansi igazi imoto zivithikile ngiyakutshela ile nto ukuthi bafuna ukufakana ngathi babrika itruck azange ibrike yabrikela phezulu kwabo itruck ayina ifront itruck iphukile udriver hleli phezulu okujwayelekile uzokube ba-right la so wazi kune traffic lapha
because I'm an intellectual lecture. No, not academic lecture. I'm an intellectual, born as an intellectual.
You want to hear it then?
angazi siqale phi
Because I'm an intellectual lecture. No, not academic lecture. I'm an intellectual, born as an intellectual.
yazi uhlawula ufana labo maluma abasebenza kakhulu endlini and nonke anisebenzi uyonsupportayo une right yokwenza yonke into avuke ebusuku mhlambi lakhe labo baba laba like how seniyasika yilabo baba labo mavuke mhlamba aphathe isisu aye toilet nilele nini avuke kwesi2 msalele kwesi3 makabuya yakhala bathi nathi nilele yethula nilele bavuka wonke umuntu nabaqashi bavuke bathimba batungathi yini nina yathulula nilele fanele senze nifukane yibathenge igesi musufukane uthi why lo baba yini mara
Is a problem.
hayi beast problem shem why udinawo uthengisela mntwana la mntwana usukela ngani la dlozi ngoba uyamazi ukuthi uyayijwazela umsukela ngani
people look up to celebrities.
Oh no, but abantu nabo ba wrong kule. Ani abasiye, that's ngabantu nathi. Bathi kusukela papa angitshele ngisingayithola phi case ngithi baxoxa papa. Sayithe ngaphi case amapi uthi nawe bekane inkinga zakhe. Bamsukela bathi sicela iroko. Wathi Gimme. Ungana matric gimme. Ungawushome uyajabula udinga kahle wabile ebusuku yazi lo Twitter from lesasikhathi waze washaw 4 ekseni a Twitter sina sathi sengize ngiphethe na insomnia cabanga ukuthi uphethe insomnia idlo zilivukile insomnia #I'm10 akekho iwani udineo nimsukela ngani udineo idlo zakhe dineo yazi le reality show kade ngumhlekisi idlo zakhe linokufuna ikode kodwa awungithatha serious na bra problem idlo navuka ngihamba esigangeni la reality show mina nginamanga awufanye footage hamba nomunye umngane wakhe lavuka idlo zestradini angazi beka yapi idlo zathi yo balandu mamakhe ukuthi azokhuluma nedlozi lo acabanga umamakhe abheke udineo akuyavula isnap athi bongkhona mtwele lesingathi umile la inini yekoda mtwele bantu basekodini abana basifaki acha or Indian ama reality show South Africa awekho real asikhulumeni var bro ama reality show South Africa awekho real ayine script uyabona la bathi dineo vuka idlo livuka mangiya uri ngibuya bathi noma